Good morning, happy Monday. I can say that this week is Easter week because you either celebrated yesterday or you are going to celebrate it next Sunday. So I decided to share with you something that has a connection to Easter traditions. Eggs. Eggs represent new life and rebirth and Jesus' resurrection, but you already know that. So I will share with you different words that are used in English for cooking eggs. But before I get into it, as we all know, eggs have two parts. The white part is called egg white, no surprise there, and the yellow part is called egg yolk. So here we go, different ways of cooking eggs. The simplest one is a fried egg, of course. You put it in a pan and fry it with oil or butter until both the white and the yolk are cooked to your desired level. If you don't flip your egg and the yolk is still intact and visible yellow, it is called sunny side up, something like that. Then we have scrambled eggs. You mix the eggs and cook them in a pan, mixing them frequently so they come out like that. You can also poach your eggs or cook them gently in water without their shells until the whites are set and the yolks are still runny. In the end, they should look something like that. Poaching eggs is not easy, believe me. If you boil your eggs in water with shells, then out come boiled eggs. Did you know that if you don't want the shells to crack during boiling, you should add salt to the water? Try it, it really works. So, if you have a boiled egg, you can transform it into a stuffed egg. If you cut it in half, take out the yolk, mix it with mayonnaise, mustard, or some other spice, and then return this mixture into the egg whites. I love those. The next one is an omelette. You cook eggs in a pan and then fold them around the filling, such as cheese, vegetables, or meat. My husband's favorite way to eat eggs is egg in a hole. It looks like that. First, you cut out a hole in a piece of bread, place it in a pan, and then crack an egg into the hole and wait for it to cook. You can flip it at one point, or you can leave it cooking just on one side. And my favorite way to eat eggs is so-called easy over, or over easy. You start by frying an egg normally, and then you flip it for a very short time so that the yolk is still runny inside but not outside. That was all for today. What is your favorite way of cooking eggs? Let me know in a comment. Have a fun day. See you next Monday. Happy Easter!